If you're wondering how to create a PowerPoint presentation design like the one you're seeing, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for my latest content. Let's jump into the video. Right-click on the shape and go to Format Shape. Select Picture or Texture Fill and browse for an image you want to add to your presentation. Now, insert the same image again and adjust its size to cover the entire background. Go back to the Format Shape options. Under Artistic Effects, apply the blur effect. Increase the blur radius by 50%. Insert a new shape called Circle Hollow. Reduce the size of the inner circle as shown in the video. Next, insert another circle shape and move it inside the hollow circle. Adjust its size to match the inner circle's size. Insert a cross shape and adjust its size. Place the cross in the center of both circles. Remove all outlines and change its color to white. Click on the hollow shape, remove its outlines, and change its color to black. Add your descriptive text. Group both circles and the cross together into a single shape. Now, duplicate the first slide 4 times. Navigate back to the first slide. Ungroup the shape we grouped earlier. Select both the blurred image and the inner circle, then use the Format option to combine shapes. Move to the second slide. Drag the grouped shape slightly downward. Change the descriptive text. Ungroup all elements in the previously grouped shape. Combine the background image and the inner circle. Repeat the same steps for the third and fourth slides. Finally, select all slides and apply the Morph transition. And you're done. Use this design to enhance your presentations. Thank you for watching.